Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will look at GameSir G7 SE best settings. So, if you want to get best settings for your GameSir G7 SE, then here you will see. One people provide the best settings for GameSir G7 SE. Left stick initial 2, maximum 100. Right stick initial 3, maximum 100. Have both sticks set to row and make sure to set your controller polling rate to 1000 Hz. Edit for reference. Here are my in-game settings. Left stick, central dead zone 0. Max input threshold 50. Axial dead zone 3. Right stick, center dead zone 0. Max input threshold 7. Axial dead zone 5. Sense. Look acceleration 4. Look sensitivity horizontal 4. Look sensitivity vertical 6. So these are the best settings for your GameSir G7 SE. So that's all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.